We are here in Lake Biwa in the Shiga Prefecture. Around 90 minutes drive from Osaka. Malamig here, no? Very cold. This is yung parang resto here that we had a stopover. Very nice drive, no? First day namin, bagsak sa Osaka. Then we rented yung Toyota Moxie minivan. Kasya kami. So this starts our Japan cross country drive. Hindi naman masyado. Mini drive. Mini cross country lang. Very nice yung place ito. Yung Lake Biwa, in the Shiga Prefecture, this is freshwater lake. More than 4 million years old. Oldest saka biggest lake here in Japan. Dami ng mga Japanese kingdoms saka dynasty nakapalibot here. Super lamig. You have yung mga ducks there. Ganda paggagawa ng mga materials. Titingnan natin quickly lang yung loob nito. Then we go. Pasok mo dito. Here. This place nila. This one. Wooden one. They have the mga guest here. Maganda yung mga wooden na pagkagawa na craftsmanship nila. And you have yung mga Pinoy here busy sa computer nila. How's your review dito? Very nice.
The view is very nice.
Very nice yung view. Ito yung loob. Lalabas ako. Habol lang kayo sa labas, ha? Here. So go out here. This one. Yan. Diba? Going winter. So mga January, February ata yung winter here in Japan. Again, this is in the Shiga Prefecture. Labas tayo. Ganda ng view, no? Here. And Chalet. Ito yung resto. Name ng resto. Chalet Resto. Tingnan natin sa baba here. Ooh. This is yung rented namin na. Ooh, nagas-gas. Hindi naman. Wala. Okay.